this is me, Iza, and welcome back in my YouTube channel. Tara na po, mag-YouTube na ay kahit anong video. Malamang gusto, ano to, kaboka? Guys, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Tangkulo Monster. Let's go! Akit muna ko sa taas. Papakita ko na lang po sa inyo ang taas. Wait lang po. Yun. Guys, nakakita tayo. Kasi may hagdan dito, guys. Meron na din kutsuro pagkaisip. Parang ano lang siya.
Pwede siya, sumabay siya dun sa pantalon ng babae. Ang problema dito, yung nakatayo yung bata dito, sobrang creepy niya.
Strangely, the small child just disappears while climbing up the stairs. It happens quickly,
Actually, pwede naman talaga yan.
almost too quickly that it seems
Bakit yung bata?
like something ghostly was
Kaya yan,
Kaya, sumabay siya, natakpan dito.
may marami akong pera dito. Magbili lang tayo, sobrang dami ko ng pera. Ito, naman that.
no children were present at the party, or at least
Bili na kaya natin lahat, guys.
if no children had been there, then who was this? But most importantly, how exactly did they vanish in just a matter of seconds? Watch those videos. Definitive answer to this question. In the following video, a man leaves his house before
Ayan,
anyone his car.
ang ganda. Ginagamit ko lang dito kaya marami akong
It appears that
pera.
the video
Ay,
is not
ads.
just random footage of the man leaving his home. While it may seem like that, it's what happens later that leads him and his family
Guys, ignore nyo na lang yung boses na yun. Kasi guys, nanonood si mama ng ano, yung nakakatakot na diba? Ignore nyo na lang yun. Kung sino naman nakasubscribe kay ate, ignore nyo na lang. Ew, nasusuka. Susuko pala si ate. Ganda. Susuka siya. Ew. Susuka ako. Ew. Lord. Ew, nasusuka siya. Ayan. Si daw dito sa kulay green.
Hey,
Ayan,
just got an
nagpa-ads
awesome find
na
on
naman
Lazada
ako.
for just a few pesos and they delivered for free. Let's go score some deals together.
Tanggal ads agad-agad. Bawal yan.
With an explanation, she
Tagal
prefers
na yung
also
ads.
as what was captured has helped her grieve over his death. So then, just who or what had
Baba
whistled?
muna.
Nakakatakot yan pag sa bando ka na ating
Maglalaro na tayo.
Hey, just got an awesome find on Lazada for just a few pesos and they delivered for free. Let's go score some deals together.
Meron na to. Okay. Tapos laro na kayo nito, guys. Ignore nyo yung mga boses.
batang ginagad may sariling buwan.
Clearly terrified his daughter, although initially thinking that perhaps this might have been a night terror she was having, her parents couldn't shake the feeling that something had scared her. Never had they ever seen their child this terrified.
Yung kanta is
Curiosity, they checked the footage taken from that video to see if anything else stands out. At first glance, nothing obvious catches their attention.
ayan, ang ganda-ganda.
See it. Either someone or something
Lang,
had
guys.
presumably that of a woman's, appears for a few seconds before disappearing.
Frame by frame, and that face right there is what popped up. But here is a close up. Right there, you can clearly see the lips, the teeth, the nose, the eye, the eyebrow.
That's the reason why their child was afraid. Now it's a bit hard to see at first, but the face is somewhat figuring out. Although recorded a few years ago, we still can't explain what appeared in this footage. To this day, the
Yan.
continues to baffle them.
Sikat dito kasi sa pinipwestuhan ko. Sorry na lang.
This next video comes from Brenda Reagan, who states that her sister had once worked at a children's center where something very strange happened. According to her, the center was a place for kids of all ages, including those who like to play music. It was pretty much a mix between a music school and a daycare center, which not many children went to for a couple of reasons. But the biggest reason was that they were scared. Children would often tell workers that a really night was inside the play tunnel for kids. But of course, no one would be there.
Ha?
Daycare staff would find toys misplaced, even though no
Di
one had
po
been
ako
inside.
malalaglag
Eventually, the
dito.
daycare had shut down when COVID hit. But
And
during this time,
guys,
the owners had set up cameras to watch every place in case anyone tried to break in.
okay, iba naman laro. Yes. Ay, manonood na lang tayo YouTube. Ay, susunod na lang guys. So, bye!